Good morning everyone. I am Pragya Tiwari. Our topic of presentation is secure electronic transaction via cryptography techniques. In recent years, many proposals for electronic payments via open network have been emerged. One of them is secure electronic transaction SET protocol, advertised through Visa and MasterCard, that is presently spread all inclusive. Although SET has numerous advantages over other proposals for straightforwardness and sociability, there appears to be an agreement on relative unskillful of the protocol. In this paper, we simply give a brief overview of the secure electronic transaction with the help of cryptography. So, introduction. Requirement of electronic global payment is rapidly increasing. Secure electronic transaction SET protocol is assumed to be the most important nominee. Means simple deployment of SET can inflict deep calculations and addition to the system via the SET, mainly because it uses encryption techniques, scheme and RSA digital signature. So we tried to amend the skillfulness of SET through using a fresh cryptographic application called sign encryption that at the same time perform both digital signature function and public key encoding in one measure. So SET is completely based on cryptography field of study, message coding, decoding art. Cryptography is used for many centuries, yet during the time of Julius Caesar, encryption has been used to keep the news secret. Securing business secret also is no dissimilar, although stronger algorithms for encryption are used over and above significantly strongest encryption keys. So, what is cryptography science? Cryptography science is basically the discipline of scheming, decoding, encoding system. Cryptographic algorithms known as cipher are some mathematical relations applied for simply encryption, decryption, basically for the purpose of electronic communication all around the internet. Okay, so cryptography is use of cryptography. Cryptography is widely used in worldwide telecommunication amenities, interbankship for international cooperation, electronic fund transfer means EFT, and automatic teller machines ATM at a factor of sale dealings. Asymmetrical cryptography, use of asymmetrical cryptography. It operates with the following: public key and private key with subsequent construct. Normally, it is procedure wise not feasible to deduce one key by the information of other or different. Having knowledge about ciphertext and plain text cannot seep out the whatsoever contained about encryption keys used to encrypt the plain textual matter. Information of any significant algorithm concerned in encoding that message cannot deteriorate the group of the system. So that is all about asymmetrical, and now the symmetrical cryptography has a single key. There is only one key in this symmetric cryptography. So current cryptography uses encryption key that are able to encrypt, block and decrypt, open the message while using an encoding algorithm. The symmetrical encryption works with an individual key, that is that single key which I have shown here, that you need to know for anyone who wants to release the text or content. Okay. So if we use explicit key using high quality encryption algorithm, then illegal people will not be able to read it. In case of similar key in an encoded message, it will be restored to its unique variety. Yet this is a problem. We have to find a secure way to leave the keys to every parties. Okay. So now let's move on. What about asymmetrical encryption by both keys, public and private keys? User now can put the public key in an open style, and we can show that it is the private key which is proprietor is able to read the encoded message. Okay, asymmetrical algorithm applies the private key and public key. Here we are using both key. So Asymmetrical cryptography. The protocol SAT uses two main diverse cryptography algorithms, RSA and DES, since 1970s. Asymmetrical and since 1970s the DES was used. America's NSA, National Security Agency, that plays an invisible hand in the expansion of algorithm, and those had been accountable for trim down this primal size from actual one, and that is 128 bit to 56. So this protocol uses 56 bit solution key to encode communication. Such encryption level using DES can effortlessly cracked by usage of advanced hardware. Okay, so government tries to look favorably upon SAT based cryptography and vision that all authorities with sufficient sources to construct a programmer who could having access to citizens' economic dealing is worrying. This is very disturbing because DES encrypt almost each SAT transaction with increased computer capacity and lower cost. Such coding crackers can become more widespread. So we might have questioned why this unfit cryptography have to be worn in secure transaction protocol. So a most probable explanation may be that system worried to recognize the inclination by governments bodies to watch and supervise economic dealing happened on the internet. So government tends to look favorably upon SAT based cryptography, the cryptography we have used in our paper, and vision that all authorities with sufficient sources to construct a programmer who could having access to citizens' economic dealing. So now these are the risks involved with secure electronic transaction or electronic transaction, not electronic transaction. We will try to overcome these risks in secure electronics. So first one is privacy or privacy. An individual communicating information like trade secrets, lawyer-client communication, medical records, bank account and credit card information may requisite by laws and harmony to remain the information secret. Such commitment applies to the message of electronic information while using the internet. The next one is authentication. So the verification and identification of users and parties and the data broadcasting are very much necessary to configuration of a constructing agreement and allotment of responsibility for fraud among parties. The third one is message reliability. The compulsory agreement needs a meeting of minds on similar contractual conditions. The statement that has been sent should always be identical to the statement. Okay. Repudiation of contract. So what is repudiation? Normally when one party say, when one party promise something and deny that I have not do this contract. So this is called repudiation. So normally when parties concur upon authentication and safety know how to be used to create contract, the organization will be forward of denying the survival. Okay, so accuracy and credibility of a statement is descriptor to the decided method. So what is our proposed security approaches? So one is cryptography digital signature. The digital signature apply cryptography to offer a method which signs electronic contract that determines we have know the digital signature by networking, contracting parties identity, and the integrity of contract terms and conditions governing the contract, a time frame of terms and condition, and receiving terms and circumstances by parties. So cryptography digital signature is here is the sender side data encryption with public keys. Sender send the data with encryption keys using a hash function. Digital signature with sender's private key and encrypted data with digital signature and then decrypted with other key. Okay, so cryptography digital signature is here. The proposed electronic secure transaction is pair of public. How we deal this cryptographic digital signature with the pair of public key, two keys. So public key DO contains two big prime number usually called private key and public key. The pair of public key contains those two both of the public key and private key. These two prime numbers speak about one another mathematically, yet it become computationally impracticable to decide the value of private key by merely having public key. This will pertain even in the case of algorithm exploited to generate the public key pair is already known. The private key is need to remain concealed by its owner. Okay, means owner will not show the private key. So the owner, this will pertain even in the case of algorithm exploited. The private key is concealed by owner and public key is available globally at ample whatsoever the document usage of private key can be confirmed by the usage of public key. There are at present the following three families of public key methods. There are these are the public three families methods: RSA algorithm, elliptical curve, the newest technology. RSA is the oldest, I mean not oldest, but our previous one we all have studied in computer network, the most fashionable current commercialized digital signature execution. Then it is developed by three scientists. Then elliptical curve or newest technology and discrete algorithm, the ground of digital signature standardization. The public key pairs are valuable especially for key currencies. Although relatively expensive to process, their keys are relatively large to protect, and it is usually expensive to create a suitable public key pair. The example for the same is secure electronic transaction, secure electronic payment and order. So this is the plain text which the user is sending, that's good. And this is the ciphertext using RSA encryption, plain text is converted into ciphertext, and then using RSA decryption, the ciphertext is again converted into plain text. So figure shows the entire process of secure electronic transaction. This includes the three communication partners as buyers, sellers and bank payment gateway. So conclusion: securing safe electronic transaction in the future would be a significant aspect of e-commerce. Without any such guarantee, the social welfare of merchants, customer, glory institution or profitable influences cannot be served. Business secrecy and authentication from every parties are very important to acquire a level of faith that permits such type of proceedings to develop. Yet it is essential that the key sizes and decoding algorithm exploited are strong enough to forward unfriendly, means criminal or foreign surveillance. The thought of the set is very much important for the achievement of electronic commerce. On the other hand, it is to be observed that wherever this set protocol will be extensively used due to encryption importance it is having, the protocol characterized by secure electronic transaction means set standard for payment system to be formulated and used financial and retailer institution. Thank you so much.